tires, reclaimed wood and discarded plastic bottles can be effectively used to decorate your garden. Old tires, reclaimed wood and discarded plastic bottles can be effectively used to decorate your garden. Old tires into some useful items for your garden, like garden chairs. Use these fun and creative DIY ways to recycle old tires to spruce up your garden decor. It is quite unfortunate, but usually old tires end up in a pile of rubbish or on a landfill site. If you are smart and creative, you can easily repurpose old tires and give your garden an artistic touch. Following things can be made from recycled tires. Retaining walls. Recycle old tires creatively by making garden chairs out of them. Who doesn't want to enjoy tea out in the garden? But for that you need a table set. With some spare old tires, you can create your own table and garden chairs. They are not only sturdy and durable but contribute beautifully to your garden's decor. Paint old tires with different colors. Using your imagination and creativity, you can also create patterns on them. Stack these tires to create backless chairs, or you can even create the chair's back by sticking a tire. Make a soft pad in the center using foam as a seat. Choose a colorful or bold design for the fabric of your seat. Cut a tire in half to make the chair's handles, and nail it in using screws. For the table, stack tires and instead of foam, you can place a piece of white marble or a round-shaped glass. A perfect table set tucked in the corner of your garden, where you can unwind yourself after a day's work. You don't need to buy expensive fancy-looking flower pots. All you need to do is get hold of some spare tires and make colorful flower pots out of them. Reserve an area in your garden where you can create a multi-tiered container garden using stacked-up old tires. Paint these tires with different colors to give a vibrant garden decor. Once you have painted the tires, fill the center area of the tire with soil and plant seasonal flowers in them. The dull corner in your garden springs into life with this colorful container garden.